in Delaware. The president's son accused of lying on a federal form about his drug use while purchasing a firearm. Skylar Henry has more.
Hunter Biden arrived at the federal courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware for the start of his trial on felony gun charges. The president's son is charged with making false statements when he bought a gun in October 2018, claiming on a federal form he was not using or addicted to drugs. He's also charged with unlawfully possessing the gun as a drug user. The charges carry the possibility of prison time.
These types of offenses are rarely charged and even more rarely would actually go to trial.
The trial comes less than a year after a plea deal fell apart, with the judge questioning whether the deal shielded Biden from future charges as well. Hunter Biden's attorneys plan to try to make the case their client had undergone rehab and did not consider himself a drug addict at the time he bought the gun. Prosecutors are planning to call his ex-wife as well as Hallie Biden, Hunter's romantic partner at the time and widow of his brother Beau, as a witness.
That testimony from his closest family and friends is going to be used against him as a basis for putting him in prison. So regardless of how this comes out, even if he's acquitted, this is not going to be a pleasant experience, to say the least.
President Biden issued a statement saying, "As the president, I don't and won't comment on pending federal cases. But as a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength." First Lady Jill Biden is at the courthouse for opening day of the trial.
And that trial expected to last about 2 weeks. If convicted, Hunter Biden faces up to 25 years in prison and fines of up to $750,000.